Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pH buffer is probably one of the most important calibration tools for accurate pH measurement, ensuring reliable results in various applications from laboratory experiments to environmental monitoring and industrial processes. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a pH buffer calibration solution that best suits your specific needs and budget, helping you make an informed decision to achieve accurate and reliable pH measurements. Number 5. pH Meter Buffer Powder, 15-pack. Introducing a new and improved way to calibrate your pH meter. It's simple to use and provides accurate readings every time. No measuring is needed. Just mix each packet with 250 milliliters of distilled water for a perfect solution. This set contains 15 packets, 5 each of 4.01, 6.86, and 9.18 pH buffer solutions. It has everything you need for complete calibration. Each individually sized packet is perfect for travel. Take it with you wherever you go. Mix the powder with distilled water and store it for later use. This saves you time and money compared to buying pre-mixed solutions. It's ideal for testing pH levels in drinking water, pools, aquariums, RO systems, spas, and hydroponic systems. It's versatile and reliable. What we like. It comes with 15 individual packets, so it's super convenient and portable. You don't need to measure anything, just mix and use. If you need a pH solution for various applications and on-the-go testing, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These work great for making standard pH testing solutions to calibrate your lab meters. These buffers are easy to use because the instructions are clear and the reference values are provided on the back of the sachet. They do as they are advertised to do. Number 4. Nynelly 15-pack pH meter buffer. This product is a convenient and accurate way to calibrate your pH meter. Simply mix the powder with distilled water for precise readings. It's so simple. Just mix one packet with 250 milliliters of distilled water, and then calibrate your meter. You'll have results in seconds. This calibration solution ensures accuracy within 0.01 pH units at 25 degrees Celsius. It maintains its accuracy over time for reliable results. It's compatible with all electronic pH meters, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Calibrate with confidence, no matter the brand. Each packet is individually wrapped to preserve its freshness until you're ready to use it. This ensures consistent, reliable calibration. From testing drinking water to maintaining your swimming pool or aquarium, it's perfect for various uses. Keep your pH levels balanced with ease. This 15-pack includes 5 packets each of pH 4.01, 6.86, and 9.18 buffers, providing a comprehensive calibration solution. You'll have everything you need for accurate measurements. What we like. This product boasts high accuracy within 0.01 pH units. It's compatible with any pH meter and the individual packets ensure freshness. If accuracy and compatibility are your priorities, then this is the one for you. What people say. The item was delivered fast and met my expectations for the chemistry lab. Simple to use, keeps my pH meter on track. Item arrived on time and worked with the pH tester. Number 3. pH Buffer Calibration Kit. This kit ensures accurate pH measurements for your lab. It's essential for maintaining reliable results in your experiments. It provides highly accurate calibration solutions. You can trust its reliability for precise pH readings. The color-coded bottles make identification quick and easy. This saves you time and reduces the chance of errors. Each solution comes in a convenient, individually bagged 250 milliliters bottle. This ensures freshness and prevents contamination. Every bottle is clearly marked with a lot number and expiration date. This ensures traceability and helps maintain quality control. It's perfect for pharmaceutical, academic, research, and industrial labs. It meets the needs of a wide range of users. What we like. It's NIST traceable, ensuring high accuracy and reliability. The color-coded bottles make identification easy. If you prioritize accuracy and need a larger volume for lab or industrial use, this is your best bet. What people say. Solutions were accurate and came with certificates. pH 10 buffer reads 0.02 higher than indicated on paperwork, but the 10 buffer is the hardest to keep stable and needs to stay fresh, so that's not bad. I like the size of standard solutions, very well packed with certificate of analysis for each standard. The standards are also packed in a narrow neck bottle with a tight lid, minimizing evaporation and CO2 absorption from the atmosphere. The buffers were packed in order 4, 7, 10 from left to right, and the NIST trace sheets were also in order front to back. I mention this because it shows the company pays very strict attention to details and order. Number 2. pH Buffer Kit. This kit ensures accurate pH measurements for your meter. It includes 2 solutions, one pH 4.00 and one pH 7.00, each in a convenient 500 ml bottle. The solutions are color-coded red for pH 4.00 and yellow for pH 7.00. This makes it quick and easy to grab the right solution. Each bottle is individually bagged and clearly labeled with the lot number and expiration date. It's all about ease of use and reliable results. These solutions are NIST traceable reference standards, guaranteeing accuracy and reliability for all your pH meter calibrations. A free certificate of analysis and traceability is included with your purchase, providing complete documentation of its quality and accuracy. It's perfect for use in pharmaceutical, academic, research, and industrial settings. This kit is a valuable tool for maintaining accurate pH measurements. What we like. This one offers NIST traceability for superior accuracy and comes in color-coded bottles for easy identification. It also provides a larger volume. If you're working in a lab or industrial setting and need high accuracy and large quantities, this is a great option. What people say. This solution is very accurate, have compared it to other solutions, and there is no comparison if you are looking for accurate solution to calibrate your pH meter. I have used testing calibration solutions like this for many years, and these products are a great value for the money. Plus, they come with certifications traceable to NIST. Products made August and October 2018 with expiration dates of August and October 2020. Number 1. pH Buffer Calibration Kit. This kit ensures accurate pH measurements for your lab. It's essential for maintaining reliable results in various applications. It provides highly accurate calibration solutions. You can trust it for precise and dependable pH readings. The color-coded bottles make identification quick and easy. This helps prevent errors and saves you time. Each bottle is individually bagged and has a unique lot number and expiration date. This ensures quality and traceability. It's perfect for pharmaceutical, academic, research, and industrial labs. It meets the needs of a wide range of users. The kit includes 3 500 ml bottles. This provides a generous supply for your calibration needs. This kit contains the 3 most commonly used pH buffer solutions. It covers a wide range of pH measurements. What we like. This product is NIST traceable, ensuring high accuracy and reliability. The color-coded bottles allow for easy identification, and the large volume is perfect for labs and industrial uses. If you need high accuracy in a large quantity for professional use, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Easy to use and very accurate. Performs well. These came clearly marked, and the different colors add to the security of using the correct product for the calibration. Buffers come with NIST documentation, and bottles are labeled with expiration dates. pH at 20 and 25 C are provided. Product seems comparable to what you would get from Fisher Scientific, etc., but for a few dollars less. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.